Boo! I've prepared a spookle for you to enjoy. Or don't. Ho ho ho. Ha la la la. Now let us start with a classic. Once upon the midnight wheel, I am very dreary. Caw, caw, I replied. No more, no more, said the door. Nevermore, I said. Hee hee ho, I fled. That's right, I know Shakespeare. Now for a tasteful reenactment of The Murder Man. I am Mr. Wicked. They cannot understand. This is my friend the murderer. He is the murderer on Murder Street. Oh, number 13 house. Ow, ow, ow. Ouija board, evil night. Spookle, spookle. Boo! I hope I didn't scare you. Now, first a step into the outside. Oh me, oh my. It's so dark out here. I'm but a lost girl. Could you please let me in? No, I'm not hiding a knife. Oh no. What is this? It appears I have a rose. Thank you for the roses. Got me feeling like a queen. Tee-hee. Thank you for the sharpener. Got me feeling like a stabiner. And you die. Ho, ho, ho. Merry Christmas. Oh me, oh my. Now, as I regain my warmth, we shall enjoy one last ride of the weary season, the spookle. Perhaps a fire story. Ooh, feel the warmth. Let it seep into your bones as I steal your soul. Yeah. Ay, ay, ay. It appears that the dawn of the spookle is upon us, and I must bewitch some neighbors. They didn't give me enough candy this season. No. Bye-bye. And beware, beware.